Hey everyone, this is Rishendra. So today we will start with AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification. So, today is day one of AWS Solutions Architect certification. So today we will look into mm, storage services, load balancing and global traffic, compute and orchestration, and networking fundamentals, and identity access and the AWS API. Now, the first things. Now, first, let's go into storage services. So there are different kinds of storage services. So there's Amazon S3, there's Elastic Block Storage, Elastic File System, or FSX, um, F- FSX, or a file server for FSX, and there's also AWS backup in storage services. So the first in storage services is Amazon S3. So Amazon S3 is a simple storage services, and it is highly scalable, durable, and cost effective object storage service provided by Amazon Web Services. It allows the user to store and retrieve virtually any amounts of data from anywhere, making it ideal for data lakes, backups, and cloud applications. The next one is Elastic Block Store. So Elastic Block Store is a high performance, persistent mm, block storage service used with Amazon EC2 cloud instances. However, it is dependent heavily on context. Uh, however, in cloud computing, EBS acts like a virtual hard drive for Amazon Web Services. So it allows you to create storage volumes, attach them to your virtual servers, and store data that persists even after the server is um, shut down. The next one is Elastic File System. So, Elastic File System is a fully managed serverless network file system for Linux workloads. So, it what it does, it allows multiple compute instances like EC2, ECS, and Lambda, and on-premises servers to simultaneously access shared files. So EFS automatically scales capacity up or down as you add or delete files, eliminating the need to provision storage. So the key features of Elastic File System are um, elasticity, high mm, availability, and durability, protocol support, and security. And the next one is FSX. So Amazon FSX is a fully managed AWS service. that provides reliable, scalable, and feature-rich file storage powered by a popular third-party file system. It eliminates hardware provisioning and patching, supporting diverse use cases from Windows business applications to high performance computing and machine learning. So there are four types of Amazon FSX file systems. So there's FSX for Windows file server, FSX for Lustre, FSX for Net app, uh, FSX for Open ZFS. So these are the four types of Amazon FSX. Next one is Amazon Backup. So Amazon Backup is a centralized service to automate and manage data backups across Amazon services. Sim across Amazon services, simplify compliance and disaster uh, recovery and planning. Next one is identity access and AWS API. So the first we look at identity and access management. So IAM, which is also known as Identity and Access Management, is a cybersecurity framework that ensures the right individuals have appropriate access to technology resources. So it achieves this by identifying, authenticating, and authorizing users and devices through strict policies, multi-factor authentication, and role role-based permissions. So why IAM matters? Because IA identity and access management provides enhanced security, and it gives least privileged access. S- And it also provides compliance and auditing. So the next one is AWS API. So AWS API, it generally refers to programmatic interfaces used to interact with Amazon Web Services, most commonly managed and exposed through Amazon API Gateway. So this fully managed service enables developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at any scale. It serves as the front door for applications to access data, business logic, or functionality from backend services. So when building or using APIs on AWS, you can implement three major types of API architectures. So the first one is HTTP APIs. So HTTP APIs, these are optimized for serverless workloads and HTTP backends. So they offer the lowest latency and cost-effective performance, making them ideal for simple proxy routing. Next one is REST APIs. These APIs offer advanced API management features in a single solution. This includes built-in capabilities like API keys, per client throttling, request validation, and AWS WEAF integration. Last one is WebSocket APIs. WebSocket APIs are built for real-time two-way communication. They maintain persistent connections to seamlessly transmit data between clients and backends. Next is networking fundamentals, and in that we'll be look into VPC. So VPC is also called a virtual private cloud. So a VPC is a logically isolated private network built on shared public cloud infrastructure. So it gives you full control over IP addresses, subnets, routing tables, and security gateways, allowing you to run your cloud resources securely. So the key concepts to know in VPC are subnets, internet gateway, route tables, and security groups, or also called as firewalls. So subnets is so subnets. So the subnets are the segments of your VPC network um, that hold your resources, connect to the internet, and also stay hidden. So next is internet gateway. So internet gateway is a component that connects your VPC to the outside internet. Next, route tables. Route tables are the rules that dictate where network traffic is directed. Next one is security groups or firewalls. So, virtual firewalls that control inbound and outbound traffic at the resource or instant level the are so-called these security groups or firewalls. And so next one is compute and orchestrations. And the first one in that is EC2. So EC2, Amazon EC2, also known as Elastic Cloud Compute Cloud, is a core Amazon service that lets you rent virtual computers on demand to run your applications. It eliminates the need to invest in a physical hardware upfront, offering scalable um, computing capacity, customizable operating systems, and flexible pay as you go pricing. The next one is AMIs. So an AMI means Amazon Machine Images. So AMI is a pre-configured template containing the OS software and settings required to launch a virtual server in AWS. So it serves as a master blueprint for your servers. Then the last one is ASG. So ASG means auto scaling group. So ASG is a core AWS service that automatically adjusts the number of Amazon EC2 instances to meet your application's demand. It maintains performance, ensures high availability across multiple availability zones, and optimizes costs. The key features of ASG include automatic scaling, self-healing, scaling policies, and launch templates. Next is load balancing and global traffic. And the first topic in that is ELB, which is also known as, which is a short for elastic load balancing. So AWS elastic load balancing, it automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets such as EC2 instances, containers, IP addresses, and Lambda functions across multiple availability zones. So it ensures high availability, fault tolerance, and scales dynamically to handle varying loads. The core features of elastic load balancing are health checks, high availability, security, and TLS offloading, and auto scaling integration. Next is AWS Global Accelerator. AWS Global Accelerator is a managed networking service that improves application availability and performance for global users. By routing through traffic through Amazon's private high-speed global network instead of erratic public internet, it reduces latency by up to 60% and provides static any cached IP addresses that act as fixed entry point. Next is uh, next, the key features of AWS Global Accelerator include any cached IP addresses, private network routing, intelligent traffic management, automated failover, protocol support, or bring your own IP. Uh, Next one is the last topic for today is CloudFront. Amazon CloudFront is a fully managed, globally distributed content delivery network by AWS. Um, what it does, it speeds up the delivery of static and dynamic web content like videos, images, and APIs by caching it at thousands of edge locations closer to your users, reducing latency and origin server load. The key features and capabilities of CloudFront include global edge network, security integrations, edge computing, and dynamic acceleration. Um, yeah. So that is all for today, and hmm, so this is the start of AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification, and we will see more about this tomorrow. So, yep, that's it for today. Yeah, thank you.